let's rev up those engines because I have some news for you, but it's not going to go by fast because I don't speak very fast. But anyway, first thing I want to jump into are the crypto bubbles. Let's look at our big daily winners. We have PulseX at the biggest, looks like the biggest gainer at this time, 0.000037 is the going rate, and 3.3 was the low, and 3.8 was the high with 4 zeros in front of all the numbers. I'm not invested in PulseX. No, it looks like Sonic at 52 cents was a low, 62 cents high, 61 cents at the current rate. Let's look at the biggest loser. It looks like it's going to be this crypto here for the time being. Jitto, $3.10, lows $2.72, and we're just 3 pennies high above the low at $2.75. Let's look at Bitcoin. The low was 95,000. I'm just going to estimate on these. The high was 97,000, and the current rate is 96,000. Looks like we've dropped quite a bit, and we've rebounded to about a medium range. There, we're about a medium or a median. Let's look at Ethereum. The low was 2,648. The high was 2,841. We're at 2,763. Look at XRP. The low was $2.61. The high was $2.76 or 74 cents. Right now it's $2.67. Probably after I finish this video, I may look at buying a little bit of XRP. But first, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment. I hear when you hit those likes, the cost or the price of crypto goes up. So let's get this to 1,000 likes. Let's get this to 1,000 views. Share the video, put it out there. Let's look at the first article. A lot of good news here. Of course, in the last couple videos, I showed what the favorability was of XRP becoming ETF approved. It was at 65%. Well, another firm today has it at 80%. So good news on that. I just wanted to show you that. We just looked at the bubbles. I guess I closed out the windows. I was going to get into the technicals. Now this is it. Of course, XRP's at $2.65. And I was going to go to the resistance. That's what I was looking for. 277 is about the short-term resistance. And I think the long-term was about 223. I think that's what they had the low on. So could it get down to $2.23? Absolutely. I'm buying on the dips as always. I'm buying on those dips. But let's look at a prediction they have here. I found this interesting. Right here, they're saying if market conditions align with XRP, could see an upswing to $8. There's that 225 reference I was getting. and the 330 reference. But I saw some predictions here I was going to share with you. Of course, I scroll, I get to looking at different things. Right here, amid this the uncertainty, long-term predictions for XRP remain ambitious, with market experts suggesting a potential surge of $8 and even $27 in the coming years. But they had other predictions for this year. I think in March, oh, here we go, right here. $13 by September 2025 and $27 by June 2026. Okay, so we have a couple of predictions here for 2025 and 2026. I've been hearing some projections that it may hit $100 before the end of the year. But, of course, as I always say, this isn't get rich fast. This is a long-term growth. So that's what I'm shooting for. If it happens sooner, I'll be just as happy with that. Let's look at this. This is Coinbase. I want to shift from XRP to Coinbase. The U.S., of course, the SEC has requested an additional 28 days to review cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase's appeal and its ongoing legal battle with regulators. Basically, what they're saying is, hey, we're all new here. We're just new in the government. We're new in the SEC. The previous administration was a little rude or hateful towards crypto. We're a little bit more friendly here. Basically, we're going to give you more time. We're going to look at things. We're going to figure this all out. So that's what they're saying here is, listen, we're new here. Let's take our time. Let's get this settled. Let's get our regulations. Let's work with crypto here. That's what they're basically doing in this lawsuit. Of course, Eleanor Terrett, I've mentioned her in some of my past videos and some of her tweets and stuff. She said the new filing is in the SEC Gov, has requested a 28-day extension until March 14th, 2025 to find its answer to a petition from Coinbase to leave to file an intel appeal. I'm not even going to try that word. Excuse me. So Coinbase is in a unique situation compared to other crypto firms currently in litigation. Their lawsuit was officially halted last month when Judge Falia, I guess how you say that name, granted the company permission to leave to file the interlocutory appeal to revolve at the Second Circuit Court. So, anyway, I want to move to the next thing in this article. Coinbase holds over $420 billion in assets. That is crazy. That's, well, 42% of a trillion. But this is what I wanted to bring to your attention. Coinbase's $420 billion in AUM is over 3 times larger than $112 billion or $113 billion managed by New York Community Bancorp, which is the 21st spot among U.S. banks. That is crazy. Imagine what happens when the ETFs are approved, what that is going to go to with the increase of XRP and the value of their company. Coinbase is going to look at 1 or 2 trillion, and at the end of this video, I am going to probably look to see where Coinbase is trading at, and I may be investing in a little bit of Coinbase. That's me. I'm not telling you what to do. But I just wanted to show the headline of the article, part of the article I just read. I just wanted to share that. 42% of a trillion at $420 billion is what they own. Okay. Of course, I teased, rev up your engines. I want to go to this right here. Formula One. I'm not a F1 fan. I don't watch it. But there are, if you watch it, that's great. I'm not a race car person. Everybody has their own thing, but this is good. Crypto in Formula One, a growing trend among top teams. And I guess what happened is crypto's branding, or Coinbase's branding, takes the fast lane on Aston Martin F1's race team. And what they're doing, Coinbase is putting their brand to this team. And of course, when they pay them their money, it's all done in crypto. I think it's USDC is what they are paying there. That's how they are making those payments in USDC. So I thought that was pretty cool. I thought I would share that. Of course, I guess one of the cars has Coinbase's logo on it. And you think about the Super Bowl, people pay millions of dollars for ads during that Super Bowl, and just think of TV in general. Of course, those advertisers, they look for the best spots. Prime time is when advertisers pay the majority of that's when the advertisement costs the most, is during prime time. And of course, in Europe, I know F1 is huge. So all those people are going to, hey, what's Coinbase? Those that didn't know, they're going to research it. They're going to look at it. Of course, when you watch a program, you're actually watching the advertisement. So that's why on a 30-minute program, you have a 15-minute series of advertisements or commercial breaks. So it's to get you to buy those products or invest in those products. But anyway, that's what I have for you today. Remember, this is not for financial advice. Do your own due diligence before investing. I am not responsible for any gains or losses. So remember, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. And leave a comment. Share it with your friends that are into crypto. But until next time, I'll see ya.